Hello everyone, I'm Jane. We're going to make up a little Christmas tree today. Prepare the materials first. 9 nylon threads with a diameter of 0.8 millimeters. The length of each one is 100 centimeters. Let's tie a knot at one end first. Then fix them on the clip. Then we split the first thread from the right and take it as the holding thread. The remaining threads are working ones. Tie a row of double half hitch knots on the holding thread. Okay, what about after the first row is played? Let's start playing the second row. When playing the second row, we also start from the right, but the first one on the right is not played. Start with the second thread. Take the second thread on the right as the holding thread. All the threads on the left are working threads. Tie the second row of double half hitch knots. After the second row is over, we will play the third row. Third row. The third row starts with the thread on the right. Leave the first thread on the right and don't play it. Now that the third row is over, let's play the fourth row. When playing the fourth row, the first thread on the right is not played. Start with the second line on the right. Pull the second thread over as the holding thread. The remaining threads on the left are the working thread. Make the fourth row. Okay, after the fourth row is done, let's play the fifth row. Same as before. The first one on the right of the previous row does not play. Pull the second one over as the holding thread. Okay, here we go. Next row. The first one is empty and will not be played. Okay, we will make the last row. The one on the right, don't play. Take the second one as the holding thread. This is the last row. Just need to tie 2 double half hitch knots. Okay, now half blade of the first layer of our Christmas tree is finished. We strung a bead on this thread. Take the same thread over after the bead is on, and this thread will continue to be the holding thread. Take these 2 threads as the working ones. Okay, here's the other half of the first blade. This blade, left and right symmetry. This pattern and this pattern are symmetrical. This pattern and this pattern are symmetrical. This is the right. Then we make the next row. The row we're going to make next is symmetrical to it. Okay, the next row. Pull the first one on the left to the right as the holding thread. This thread also needs to be taken as one of the working threads. Now the row we are making up is made to be symmetrical to it. We're going to make up the one that fits it symmetrically. It always starts from the far left. Pull the far left to the right. As the holding thread, make double half hitch knots. This is the third row. Just B. His symmetrical LO. So we're going to weave this thread in. Okay. Next row. We're still going to start on the far left and pull the first thread to the right as the holding one. Each row must end with the thread from the symmetrical edge in. Add this thread. Okay, next row. Start from the far left. So far, one blade of our Christmas tree is woven. We go like this. 5 pieces per layer. Okay? When making the second blade, it's the same as when we take the first thread from the right as the holding thread. All right, first row is over. On the beginning of the second row, the first one on the far right does not play. The second one from the right is the holding thread. This thing. Okay? Come down. Okay, the second blade is done. These are 2 blades we just made. The remaining 3 blades will be made like this. After all, 5 blades are woven. The first layer looks like this. Then we untie the knot that knotted at the beginning. Then, turn it around. Tie the corresponding threads in pairs by reverse double half hitch knots. Then cut off these extra threads. Then burn it with a lighter. This is the bottom layer of our Christmas tree. Then, make the layers on top of it. The bottom layer is made of 9 threads. The second layer from the bottom up needs 8 threads, and the third layer needs 7. These are the layers of the Christmas tree that I made up. We need to weave a tree trunk now. We use 2 lines, cross them, the line on the right turns to the left. The top line folds down. Left line, fold, right. Bottom end. Go through the hole at the very beginning. Then we pull it tight. And we did it again. 2 lines and 4 ends pointing in 4 directions. The line on the right turns to the left. Leave a hole here. The last thread will go through here later. Okay, the line on the right folds to the left. The top line folds down. The line on the left folds to the right. Okay, so the last end goes through this hole. Okay, let's pull it tight. Tidy it up and it looks like this. Here we go again. We can also start from above. The top line folds down. The line on the right turns to the left. And the down folds up. Okay, the leftmost thread goes to right. Then tighten. In this way, we're going to make up the length of a tree trunk. Continue to do like this. Weave until we get the right length. We put these threads through the center of the layers, but the hole in the center of this layer is a bit big. We can threading them separately. Okay, we're going to put all the layers on.